Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable mobile data and verify signal bars. This ensures throughput. Once done, plug a data-capable USB cable into the phone and laptop. Do not use charge-only cables. Make sure the phone is unlocked so settings apply immediately. On Android, open Settings Network and Internet Hotspot and Tethering. On iPhone, go to Settings Personal Hotspot. You do this now because tethering services often require foreground access, and that avoids hidden permission prompts later. With the cable connected, you enable USB tethering. On Android, toggle USB tethering. On iPhone, enable Personal Hotspot and trust the computer. Once done, watch the phone for permission dialogues. Accept them because the phone is authorizing a network link. Make sure the laptop installs drivers automatically. If it prompts, allow the install so the new adapter is recognized. Then open laptop network settings and confirm a new wired or USB network adapter appears. This shows the laptop is negotiating. You finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser or run a ping to a known address. This confirms DNS and routing. If it fails, first toggle USB tethering off and on, then unplug and replug the cable and reboot the phone or laptop. These quick resets clear driver handshakes. If problems persist, verify APN settings and that your carrier plan permits tethering. Some plans block or throttle it. One key tip: try a different data-capable cable. Many faults are cable or port-related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.